Hello everyone, this will be my recap for day 2 of my trading journey. So today I ended up taking 2 trades, one right off rip at like 9:39, the other one at 12:30. So my daily bias today was that looking off the 4 hour and then obviously what happened overnight with the Asia and London session. I pretty much had the bias that we were going to drop low, take Asia lows, and then shoot back to the upside, which is what we ended up doing. So right off market open, which is right here at 9:30, we ended up taking Asia lows, which is right here. I have that marked out. And we ended up not putting an SMT in because ES followed that with here and took this low as well. But at the same time, while we were coming down here to take this low, we ended up creating a fair value gap here, which we did not hold coming back up, as I kind of wanted to see, and smashed straight through that, creating an inverse fair value gap, and also going straight through the CISD. And really, what I wanted to kind of see here for an entry was, since we were already pretty much bullish, I kind of wanted to see a retest on that, CISD and the fair value gap, IFVG, to see it kind of hold, in which it held pretty well. We came back down, we rejected right back off of it right here, and I put my entry here, and I put my TP at this high over here, and SL at this recent low right here, in which we ended up smashing that TP pretty quickly there, and then we ended up running right back down. And ended up kind of just chopping here and there, going back up. Ended up taking this high here, went back lower, then ended up taking that high again here, which is kind of showing me a pattern, I guess. I should have kind of took in that pattern, been like, okay, we might keep doing that to keep going to the upside, keep going back lower to keep going to the upside. Ended up trying to take a short here, put my TP about halfway here. We ended up creating a SMT here off these two highs, and we ended up taking this little internal buy side here right here. And we also had an inverse fair value gap here, which we rejected off of heavily, and we held the CISD for the most part here, which I took my entry right here. And then we just kind of kept chopping through that right here, going in and out of profit here, and then ended up coming right back up. And then we shot way up here, which news, I believe, was around 2 o'clock today. Red folder news today. And we ended up shooting straight down, coming right back up here. Which I'm sure there was some entries around here you could have found, but I already took my 2 trades for today, which is perfect by me. This first trade I could have definitely sized up. I used 1 mini today, and yes, that was kind of small. In this being an eval, should have probably sized up to 2 to 3 minis on that trade, since I was pretty confident on that as well. So I hope you guys had good trades today if you guys traded today, and if you guys have any questions or tips for me, please just let me know. Thank you.